Welcome to another episode of Rival Stories where we are working on the iconic 1980s bike Kawasaki GPZ900R, a bike that we both dreamt about owning since we saw the film Top Gun. But now we have one, but unfortunately it's 30 years old. And if you've been watching the other episodes, you'd realise that we are going to do a complete nut and bolt rebuild on this. Brian has the chassis, the running gear and the fairings which he has stripped down and preparing for paint, and it's my job to take the engine apart and make sure it's as good as it can be. Last week I did the top end. As you can see, the pistons are now exposed. This week I want to separate the engine cases to make sure things are as good as they can be on the inside. So let's get cracking. Flip this engine over and get to this side. Put it back the right way up, let the oil drain out for a bit. So there you have it, one GPZ900R engine dismantled and the engine case is split. And the reason we do that is because we want to have a look at the inner workings of the engine. And these are the bits that people don't normally see, but these are the things that are doing an awful lot of hard work. And from first glance, I've got to admit, this engine looks good. I haven't seen a single thing that's thrown up a red flag or given me cause for concern. I am going to check everything over thoroughly. And I am going to clean and check all the components that I took off to get to this stage. But I think that's for another day. I'm quite tired now and I need a cup of tea, so I'll see you next time.